Thank you for joining us for another segment of Triangle Empowered. My name is Karen Clark, and the goal of this segment is to share information with our on-air listeners and our internet viewers. Today's guest is Hector Campuzano, and I said that I was going to practice it, so I didn't mess it up. But I said it twice to make sure I got it right. So thank you for joining us so much today, Hector, and because we've got something really important to talk about. We want to talk about money that North Carolinians could be getting, but might not realize that they could get it, or may not have gotten it automatically, and now they actually need to apply for it. So explain that to us so that our viewers know what the deal is.
Yes. Well, thank you, Karen, for having me on. Again, my name is Hector Campuzano. I'm a paralegal advocate at the Charlotte Center for Legal Advocacy, working with the Low Income Tax Clinic. So we're located here in Charlotte, North Carolina, but we offer a lot of different services for everyone in Mecklenburg County and different parts of North Carolina. So North Carolina just recently gave out what is called the North Carolina Extra Credit Grant. They had a deadline originally for October 15th for anyone who normally doesn't have a filing requirement because they don't meet the income requirements. So it's anyone who is single and makes under $10,000 or with married makes under $20,000, they normally wouldn't have that filing requirement. So the deadline passed and a lot of people didn't find out about it. So our organization worked with a few other organizations to be able to extend the deadline. So that new deadline is coming up really quick.
Okay, so what is the new deadline and how much money is on the table for North Carolinians?
So the new deadline for those who normally don't have that filing requirement and need to apply is December 7th at 2 o'clock in the afternoon.
Okay.
So that's for anyone in North Carolina. And so if someone already filed their 2019 state taxes, they would automatically receive that either through direct deposit, or most people are going to receive a check in the mail.
All right. And the check would be for how much?
For $335.
All right. So why was this money allocated? What is it supposed to be used for?
So this money was allocated just to help with for parents who have children, for virtual expenses, since most students are now in virtual school, and also for childcare.
Okay, so $335. A lot of people got it automatically, but if you didn't get it automatically, you might need to apply for it to make sure you get it. And the deadline is rapidly approaching, December 7th, you said, at 2 p.m. So where do people need to go to do whatever it is they need to do to get their hands on this money?
Correct. So if you didn't meet that requirement to file your taxes for 2019, and also a few other things, you were a resident of North Carolina for all of 2019, and you have an eligible dependent or a child under the age of 16, or 16 and under at the end of 2019, then you would go to the website 335fornc.com. So it's number 3, the number 5, and then it's fornc.com. The website is now live. It's a pretty simple website, and we're also working pretty quick to get a Spanish version up for it.
Great. So I see what you did there, $335. So you put 335 in the website.
Exactly.
Whatever it takes to make it stick, right? The people can go to the website and get that money. Well, thank you so much for sharing this information with us. I know that there are a lot of people that may have heard whisperings about it, but didn't really know what they needed to do and if they needed to do anything at all. So I'm glad that you all are providing this information to people across the state of North Carolina, because this has been a lot. This has been a lot on people, and especially parents who've had to quickly pivot into setting up classrooms at home. So it's great that the state government did decide to do this for us. And thank you for taking out some time to chat with our viewers and share that information.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you so much. And again, we will have all of that information on our website so that people can apply. Thank you.